you go to nationals, which is held in Rustenburg. So then, this was the first time that there was a scout there. She comes, she's from Paris, France. She works, she's an agent, and she scouts for Paris Fashion Week. First time she's ever been here, and we were just lucky enough and blessed enough to get scouted. So it was like a matter of being watched throughout the entire competition, not just on the runway, but how we handled ourselves and the way we carried ourselves.
I was first with Sophisticated Models 2024, where I won every competition that I participated in my first year. And then I got my first ad there when I did Continental Tires. I was on an advert for Woodlands Dairy. And then last year, middle of last year, I switched over to Supreme Academy. And I think that's where it really took off for me, with regionals, nationals, and now eventually Paris Fashion Week.
So after Paris Fashion Week, where do you see yourself going afterwards?
Hopefully, God willing, with getting right to all the major fashion shows from Milan, New York. It's already going to be doing Paris now. And working with big designer brands like Calvin Klein specifically, for me is a very big one. So that's working with those types of brands and being on those fashion shows.
For me, I think it's just my biggest thing is to just get signed to an agency so that I know I'm set and I don't have to necessarily do freelance, because freelance is very difficult to actually have stability. So, and I really, my biggest dream is to work for Milan Fashion Week. So from there, I mean, working and being like an ambassador for Chanel, that's dream come true.